Look, listen, and repeat. Reading. Reading. My sister likes reading books before bedtime. Painting. Painting. I like painting in watercolor. Taking photos. Taking photos. My brother enjoys taking photos of nature and animals. Cooking. Cooking. I enjoy cooking different cuisines from around the world. Gardening. Gardening. Gardening allows Emma to connect with nature and enjoy fresh produce. Writing stories. Writing stories. Writing stories helps me express my thoughts and feelings. Knitting. Knitting. Knitting helps Lily relax and unwind after a long day. Dancing. Dancing. Dancing allows Camilla to express herself and boost her confidence. Playing the guitar. Playing the guitar. I want to learn playing the guitar. Fishing. Fishing. My father goes fishing with his friends on weekends. Gaming. Gaming. Gaming is a popular hobby among children and teenagers. Sewing. Sewing. Lena wants to learn sewing to create her own clothes. Traveling. Traveling. I love traveling to new countries and experiencing different cultures. Pottery. Pottery. Pottery is a good mix of both creating and relaxing. Embroidering. Embroidering. I like embroidering flowers and patterns on pillowcases and tablecloths. Woodworking. Woodworking. Woodworking allows Bill to create furniture and decorative items from wood. Singing. Singing. Singing helps Mary express her emotions and improve her mood. Doing crafts. Doing crafts. Doing crafts helps me relax and unleash my creativity. Blogging. Blogging. Blogging allows me to connect with people who share similar interests. Playing cards. Playing cards. On rainy days, playing cards is my favorite activity. Doing puzzles. Doing puzzles. Mark enjoys spending quiet evenings doing puzzles. Watching TV. Watching TV. I like watching TV shows in my free time to relax and unwind. Shopping. Shopping. Jane goes shopping with her friends. Test yourself. What is this hobby? Reading, painting, cooking, gardening. Painting. What is this hobby? Sewing. Which picture shows gardening? This one. What is this hobby? Fishing. What is this hobby? Traveling, gaming, embroidering, playing the guitar. Embroidering. Which picture shows woodworking? This one. What is this hobby? Doing crafts. What is this hobby? Blogging, watching TV, shopping, pottery. Shopping. Which picture shows knitting? This one. What is this hobby? Singing.